Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you won't miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! And today we're going to talk about doing that with Gov cleaning contracts, what you need to do. Now, I'm not going to emphasize enough, or I can't emphasize enough. September 1st to the 30th is a big time for government cleaning contracts. Any contracts, but specifically I'm going to talk about Gov cleaning contracts because that is the time that the fiscal year, the government has a budget, and if they have not spent all their money, guess what? They're looking for services from you, goods from you. If you're providing government products, that'd be paper towels, toilet paper, chemicals to the government, or if you're providing services, they're looking for your cleaning company. So what I'd love for you to do is make sure that you look at your DSBS profile, your dynamic small business search profile, which is in your SAMs. Make sure you update that. Make sure it's ready. Put in those relevant keywords. You can put in 50 and make sure you put in that what is it called? Just kidding. It's called a capability narrative. That's right. So it's called your capability narrative. That is exactly what you need. Not your capability statement, not your capability briefing. Your capability narrative is different. So that's why I wanted to see if you knew what it was called. Yes, capability narrative and the 50 keywords are what go together. So make sure if you haven't, very, very, very important that you register because this is where the contracting officer is looking for you. So register, and if you want more, I would love to see you at my free masterclass. It's going to be this Tuesday. No, I'm kidding. It's this Wednesday.